So I got a very wonderful news for my haters and the defamers. Should I give you this? Their game was to trouble me, to defame me, huh, and do lot of stuff. What do you call it? Destroy me. So they thought of like they'll make my nudes and all this shit. I called them out to come and do this. Huh? I called them out. Come, you wanna do this? Do this. So my popularity didn't decrease. It started increasing. It has increased. Half of my town was wearing black. I'll give you one more thing. Yeah? A guy like me, yeah? Say it right on the face. I saw hookers, I caught the sextortion racket in Edinburghs and all those shit I been. So basically, people won't see hookers seeing video, but my popularity is completely different. They want to say he did that. Yes, he did that. So look, if I won't go try to get this right, if I don't do this, that fight would have turned against me. They picked the fight. I answered them, and they want to say that they didn't speak about nudes. Then what did they do that night? After coming after me, then what did they do? So if I won't go, this thing turns against me. Anyways, well. So anyways, thank you for this popularity and what do you call it? Sextortion is been caught right away so with the suspect names. This is a dangerous thing. Now, and now I guess Chembur is the red alert zone for scam and sextortion. Because when I went out in East, there are rumors. Chembur West is a completely filled with scam. And over that, I got their names. I think dangerous things are gonna come. Look, me, my case, nil, you get the fuck out of my life and all this stuff. And I made my promise here, I'll give this to the decent ones. But in future, those exposing them is a very dangerous thing to them now. People probably cannot catch such people. That's why the popularity, I guess, and thank you for this popularity, because everyone is what do you call it? Did he go? Did he do this? Everyone says yes, he did. He knew that nudes are getting made there. Yes, he knew. Still he went. Yes, he went. Instead of hating me, everyone have started liking me. So I gotta say thank you for this popularity. And I did the right thing, perfect thing. If my life is just getting destroyed for few months, what happens? Few years, what happens? I have destroyed myself long back in my teen when I got into yayos. don't matter. But at least the knowledge is out there. Everyone knows the suspect. People won't get, what do you call it? They know the pattern now, how this racket works. People are safe now. I'm not, look, I'm not that heroic, but I'm not that evil too. I'm not that evil. That in front of me someone is doing some ugly shit and I would allow, I would not. Thank you for this popularity. Instead of people hating me, they have started liking me. They still ask, does he, जो बोलता है वो करता है क्या, जाता है क्या वो? People still ask, वो बोलता है तो वो गया था क्या? और वो बोलते हैं हाँ, उसको मालूम था, उसका हिडन कैमरा से रिकॉर्ड कर रहे और क्लोन फोन में ये कर रहे. बोले हाँ, उसको मालूम है. तो फिर क्यों जाता है? तो उनको सर्विलेंस में कौन पकड़ेगा उनको? And if I wouldn't have gone that night, that fight would have turned against me. सेक्सटोर्शन भूल जाना पड़ता था और वो कुछ भलता ही हो जाता था. If I wouldn't have gone that night, the night, what do you call it, the day cousin's funeral, then the evening fight, and the night hunting.